Hi everyone, welcome to Srishti. Today I am going to show you how to crochet picot stitch. For this tutorial I am going to use a 4-ply acrylic yarn and a 2.75 millimeter of crochet hook. Let's start. Picot stitch mainly done to make edges of some project like on the border of sleeves or neck or to make border of some placemat. So I have done a row of double crochet to show you how it will look in the edges. There are two types of picot stitches, like first is single chain picot and next is 3 chain picots. I will show you one by one. Let's start with single chain picot. So I will make a chain and turn my work to do a single crochet. Now I will show you how to do the picot stitch. First do a single crochet. Insert the hook in the next stitch. Grab the yarn, pull it through the stitch, again yarn over and pull it through both the loops. Now your single crochet is done. Do a single chain. Now skip this single chain and insert the hook in the base, just in between this V shape and through this next loop. So you have now 3 loops on the hook. Now again take the yarn over the hook, grab it and pull it through all the 3 loops and do a single crochet in the next stitch. Your first single chain picot is done. I will show you again. Make a single crochet, do a chain, skip that chain and insert the hook into the into that single crochet, and now you have 3 loops on the hook. Grab it and pull it through all the 3 loops and make a single crochet in the next stitch. You can see how beautiful it will look after making the picot stitch. It will give you a triangular shaped look. So you can make some petals with this stitch. I will show you after making the full row how it will look. After making a row of single chain picot, it will look like this. Now we will do the 3 chains picot. We will start it again with a row of double crochet. Make a chain and turn your work. Make a single crochet in the first stitch. Now make another single crochet in the next stitch. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull it through. Now again yarn over and pull it through 2 loops. Your single crochet is done. Now make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Now skip all these 3 chains and insert the hook in the base in between this V and through this side loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, grab it through all the 3 loops. Now make a single crochet in the next stitch. Your first 3 chain picot is done. I will show it again. Make a single crochet, make 3 chains, skip these 3 chains and insert the hook in the base stitch and this side loop. And now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through all these 3 loops and make a single crochet in the next stitch. your 3 chains picot is done. I will show you how it will look after finishing the row. After finishing a row, it will look like this. Now I will show you another method of doing 3 chains picot. Again we will start with a row of double crochet, make a single chain and turn your work and make a single crochet. Now next stitch you will do a single crochet, make 3 chains, and instead of inserting hook in the base, you will just insert the hook in the back of the 3rd chain. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through both the loops and make a single crochet in the next stitch. It will look like this. I will do it again. Make a single crochet, chain 3, turn the chain and insert the hook in the back of this 3rd chain from the hook. Now you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, grab it and pull it through both the loops and make a single crochet in the next stitch. Your second type of 3 chain picot is done. So I will show you after finishing the row how it will look like. After finishing a row of second type of 3 chain picot, it will look like this. Now I will show the first type so that you can compare it with this. The first type of 3 chain picot will give you a rounded type of look, and the second type will give you a sharp look like triangle. These two are 3 chains picot and this one is single chain picot. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. If you want many more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.